Hello my dear friends, myself Amal Patil, and today I am going to discuss the new concept in Java, that is a string constant pool (SCP). First of all, today is 2nd of March 2023, and string constant pool is also called as a string literal pool, and which will be stored in a heap area. Like in our Java, there has a different method area, PC register, method area, stack area. So our string constant pool will be in a heap area. String constant pool will be a special type of memory location in a heap area in which we creates string objects. And how we can create an object or Java, we are not JVM will create an JVM supposed achieve that object that we will discuss in this video. Suppose we will create an object by a new keyword like a string yes equal to new strings Java, then it will create two objects. Because of a new keyword, it will create an object in a heap area, and also by the literals in a yes string yes, then it will also compulsory create an object to in a SCP. First it will be check in SCP there has a same name like a object is a present or not. If present, then it not need to create an object in a SCP, but there is not any of the object to same reference, then it will compulsory create two objects in a heap area also and in string constant pool also. So in a string by using a new keyword, we will create two objects in our heap area. By the literals, we create only one object in a stack or string constant pool. Whenever we use by literals or we create an object by using a literals, then it will be create only one object in a string constant pool. But suppose we have create an object string s1 is equals to Java, and a string s2 is equals to Java, then string s2 it will be create no any of the object. It will be firstly we search in a string constant pool have a such that like any object present in the string constant pool. If yes, then it is not essential to create an object. So that is the benefit of the SCP. That is because of in our project there has a memory saving is a major issue. So that is the benefit of the string, and we also know that string is a immutable, so it will be not a changes in their reference or their values. If you changes the in after that strings values, then it will create that special object in a SCP by that. And so this is from my side. Thank you.